Well, what I'm going to show you today is a few things about this dynamotor. And you got to take the caps off the ends, and their screws is really easy to come off. But on these dynamotors, one side is going to be the low voltage side and one's going to be a high voltage side, and they have gone ahead and actually marked it so you can't make a mistake on these. The high voltage side is marked HV on the side of it, and then the other side is marked, actually it does say like 25 volts I think. But also with these, you gotta remember, these things are 80 years old. So you gotta make sure they spin freely. If they don't, if they're jammed, you're not gonna get anything out of them at all. And that one there, you can see it spins around fine, low voltage side. And then this one here, same thing, it spins too. But what you want to do with these anyway, since they've been that way for years, you want to spray them. Use deoxit on them. The deoxit won't hurt the electrical condition of this at all, because it evaporates eventually. But it will spin more freely after you do that. And then actually what I like to use is some of this. And this is no wax. It's a paste. And just put it down inside here. Go ahead and you put it inside there, and you just put a little bit in there, and then it doesn't need much, and then you spin it around just like that, and you spin it around. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, this is the low voltage side. If you can see, if it focuses, it says 25 volts on it. Now the high voltage side will get up to 250 volts. And let's see, I don't know if it's that easy to see. Oh yeah, there it is. It's just marked HV in there. So that's how you know that's the high voltage side. And then also, you gotta figure, all right, when you plug this in to the back of the receiver, okay, it got this on top, right? It's plugged in on the back of this receiver. But where's the power go? Well, simple. It has another round plug on the back, and that's where the power goes, and the ground, phones, BFO, everything for the receivers on that. So, and then what I have here is a cheap Chinese made power supply. It says 24 volts, but it will go up. You can adjust it up to 28, so it can be used on this 28 volt dynamotor. But yeah, I just want to show you some of the things that you have to remember on these. Like I said, these things are old, but even though they're old, they still work, no problem. So, and pretty much that's going to be it for right now. Next time I'll go ahead and I'll show you, we'll get some power to it and see if we can get anything out of the radio. But there you go. That's your lesson for today on a dynamotor.